Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Miguel and today I have this cute poodle that I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to be using my 3/8 white comb attachment. I'm using Zolitta's blades from Olga, and all the information is going to be down in the description box. This is not a sponsored video, but I love these products so much that they just became my favorites, and I'm sharing them with you all. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, and without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I am ready. As you all know, I'm going to start from the back, and then I'm going to be moving forward. Welcome if this is your first time here, and if not, welcome back. You all guys know how much I love you, and let me know if you guys want to know or want me to do anything or whatever that you guys want me to do. I am going to be, if you're interested in learning how to clip the nails, she has the nails clipped already. I'm linking the video here so you all know and can go watch it if you want. So alright, so let's go start from the back, and I like to take it easy, but I like to leave or do like long strokes. It is more easy on the pups than me going like, you know, after one after another one. So I rather do like one long, and that's it. But that's why I love those blades so much. They actually cut grooming time, less stress for the pups, and you all know how it goes. If you are a dog groomer and you haven't tried the white blades, try them. The link is in the description box. So I'm doing the other side, this side, so look how easy. And just like that, I have half of the pop done already. And let me turn the pop down this side so you all can see. If you guys want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram. I'm always sharing pictures and silly stuff there, and always some informative stuff that I hope you guys enjoy it. See, this pup is chilling. There's nothing major stress wise. Right now, I'm doing it on this side so you all can see what I'm doing. Now let me show you how easy it goes. One, see? Super easy, no stress. My pups leave happy. So, because at the end of the day, they can't talk. They can tell you exactly what's going on with the groomers. So I make those videos so I can show the family exactly what's happening. And obviously I share with all of you guys. And just like that, we have the body done. I'm going to be doing the legs. I like to go against the hair growth, or reverse, as groomers call it. You can't go reverse on each and every dog, but you know, like for example, this poodle, I can do it. She has a tiny tail, so I'm going to leave it. And voila. Easy peasy. Let me move on this side. Let me get this out of the way. Just like that. Let me get this top down this side, so hopefully we all can see exactly what we're doing. Look, let me show you. Ta-da! And then I am going to go on the face, short. I'm gonna go short on the face so we all can see her beauty. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be switching my blade. I'm going to be very careful because I'm using the number 7, and that has like the widers, or a little bit more wide between the teeth. There's like bigger spaces, and you can always nick the dog, so you have to be careful when you're using those things, right? Okay, so I am back. This is also, I'm gonna start with the number 5, and then I'm gonna see the length, how it goes. Yeah, I think this one is right. So this is perfecto. See, the face is short but not shaved. That's what they want. And here I'm going to be doing it with the shears or scissors, or however you call them. The shears that I'm using are also from Zolitta collection. So the shears, like I was saying, the shears that I'm using are from Zolitta collection. Those are called Graffiti. The link is in the description box so y'all can see. So I'm cleaning this whole thing, and then being very careful. So you can see. And voila, as you can see. You know, like, it's very funny because sometimes people say, oh, leave it short or this or that. I always like to leave them the hair a little bit longer than what the customer requested, because in case the customer wants the hair to be shorter, you can take off the hair. You know, you can cut a little bit more, but if the customer wanted to have it longer, you can't put the hair back together, you know. So That's just a tip that I have learned over the years. And voila, as you can see, I'm combing out all this hair. And what we are going to be doing is I'm going to be defining the head. She was like, leave it like a pompon, and I was like, all right, I'll do that. Okay, so a pompon it is. See? And there you go. There is the pompon. Or a round head, whatever you want to call it, or you know. Don't forget to tell me where you guys are watching from. I'm always super excited to read how far this video goes. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing the ears. One tip, when you are brushing the ears, always put your fingers like holding the hair instead of you like janking the hair out of the ear. So basically you are holding the hair and you are basically just brushing like that. And just take it easy, you know, little by little. And as you can see, it's all done. Like it's the mate. There's a knot. I know. Because it can be painful for them. Some dogs are more sensitive than others. As you can see. Right? And we're going to go and round it out. Just like that. She usually use a tiny bit. Don't cut too much. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'm going to show you on the other ear also. Another way to do it is just like, if you have kind of like matted ears, you can use one of those like pin brush and just brush it. And then it all depends on how matted or not matted those are. Or the fur is, or hair, or whatever place. Okay, so this is how she's looking. I'm not gonna be doing any more or more than that. Just removing a tiny bit over here. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I see you in my next video in a couple of days. So thanks for watching.